Before you make your next motherboard purchase, there are some surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out what they are. The ASRock Phantom Gaming Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard boasts a sleek, modern design with angular lines reminiscent of a lightning bolt, symbolizing speed and power. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, making it a versatile choice for various builds. But does it look and feel as premium as its competitors? This motherboard supports Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, providing a robust foundation for high-performance computing. With dual-channel DDR5 memory support up to 9066 plus MHz and a maximum capacity of 256 GB, it caters to users seeking top-tier memory performance. The 18+1+1+1+1 power phase design with 80A smart power stages for the V-Core ensures stable power delivery, which is crucial for overclocking enthusiasts. Storage options are abundant, featuring a blazing M2 slot supporting PCIe Gen 5x4 for ultra-fast SSDs, along with multiple Hyper M2 slots and SATA ports to accommodate various storage needs. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports offer high-speed data transfer and versatile connectivity options. Networking capabilities are impressive, with killer E3-100G 2.5GB/s LAN and the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, delivering extreme wireless internet speeds and low latency. This is particularly beneficial for cloud-based gaming, 8K video streaming, and video conferencing. Priced competitively, the ASRock Phantom Gaming Lightning Wi-Fi offers a compelling feature set that provides excellent value for money. If you're looking to upgrade your system, check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited to one PCIe 5.0x16 slot. No onboard RGB lighting. Lacks built-in Bluetooth support. Pros: supports latest Intel Core Ultra processors. High-speed DDR5 memory support up to 9066 plus MHz. Robust power phase design for stable overclocking. Multiple high-speed storage options including PCIe Gen 5 M2. Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 7 for advanced connectivity. Competitive pricing for the feature set. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Also, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.